I just wanted to make this video real quick because I've got a Weber Genesis. It's like an E-330, something like that. But the wheels are falling apart on it, so it doesn't roll the way it's supposed to anymore. So I went online. These things, they want $30 for each wheel. So replace 4 wheels, 120 bucks. So I thought that was a little insane. Went to Harbor Freight and found these swivel casters. You can get the one with the brake. So I'm going to use that on the front side of the grill. The one that doesn't have the brake, you can use that on the back. But for these wheels, they just pull right out, and then these obviously don't have the same stem on there, but these screw right in into the plastic, into the stock plastic. Can't see that, but you just screw it right in there. Get I think it's a 17 millimeter wrench. No, I'm sorry, 21, but a 21 millimeter wrench, and just screw it in there, and it stays perfect. One of them, the little plastic on one of my wheels, the plastic insert came out, and it actually made it a little easier because you can screw it on, you know, with the plastic thing off, and then just push it back in. But I mean, it fits perfect. It actually rolls easier with these wheels, and then you've got the brakes on the front. So anyways, the replacement wheels at Harbor Freight, I think the one with the brake is $6 and this one's $4 or $5, so you can do the whole job for less than 25 bucks. So just wanted to throw that out there and save you guys some money.